Alrighty, so last session on this one. This is again the funky compressed grips. Looks like, Barbara, you start off working with the inside, then towards the end of the session you start playing with the outside grip. This is a really good test, I think, of the things that we talked about in the previous sessions with regards to grip taking on compressed and the Koggin. So, they're taking that inside grip, no problem, providing we keep our body position strong. And again, Sandra here, keep, like, it's okay to target that grip, but just keep the body moving as well. Like, yeah, like that. That's really nice. So targeting the grip, but not stopping, just keeping on moving. And the grip is incidental. The grip should be incidental. It's there, the contact is made, but it shouldn't come at a cost of the body position. I feel like you're doing a much better job on this one. Maybe it's the kind of dive with less momentum as well. With a 180, obviously you got less momentum. Sorry, 180. Yeah, so with the 180, we got a little bit less momentum than those longer turns we saw on the compressed. But you're both doing a better job of holding your body positions strong. And this is a point where Barbara, and again, I'd be really interested to hear Barbara's perspective on how this felt, is just allowing that leg to go past her, but just keep on focusing on the rotation, and the grip gets picked up there. And Sandra doing a really nice job doing it completely the other way, is targeting the grip, but keep the body going. You see, remember before, Sandra, when I was pausing it and you were reaching back for the grip and you had a compromised body position? You don't have that on this one. You're taking the grip, but maintaining a good strong body position with your arms balanced in front. So I would go with how it feels for you girls on this one. You know, what feels like the most productive, the ones where you can feel like you could pick up the speed as well. There seems to be a little bit of energy going away at this point. Yeah, maybe not such a, like, kind of, Barbara, have a look at your head. You know, as your head switching out a little bit early here, and moving away a fraction from Sandra. And what that does now, if you watch it, you're moving away, so you've got some distance, and then that distance becomes tension a little bit at the end. So that's a good target there, nice and close on the cat. I can't help thinking that it would still be better if Barbara was trying to be a fraction slower and Sandra getting a little ahead of the game, because if Barbara is ahead, we end up with a little extra tension here. It's a small thing, really small thing. Looks like you guys are having a really nice job on this jump, though. One of the more challenging with all the grip taking. It's, again, great experience in working on taking these funky grips with momentum going away from them. I'm hoping that you see, Sandra, the difference between this one and the previous one is that you're doing a much better job holding your body position strong during the grip taking. I would be one that I would want to just throw on the creepers and just look and see if you can get better timing to make the grips get picked up a little bit easier with regards to here. So on this one, because Barbara has chosen to take this grip, it's better that Barbara is slightly ahead of the game. Yep. And on this one, we want Sandra ahead of the game. That would just be a little timing thing there. And the other thing to be aware of is when you pick up a grip, you need to keep the body turning. You need to keep turning around your center point, because otherwise the chance here is that this becomes a fulcrum, and then we end up with a bit of a slam at the end. So at this point here, like on block 16, you know, we want this grip should end up here. If we're going to keep rotating, it needs to move down the line, which means that the way to do that is just to keep the rotation going. Hopefully you guys understand what I mean by that. Cool. Good session. Thank you, guys.